CineCast version 2 Studio Edition is all about performance. It offers fast project creation and editing features, full resolution previews, a wide range of roll durations with no flicker, and an industry-standard export format. Best of all, CineCast is designed to avoid rework. From enabling cut-and-paste editing of a whole cluster of credits, to supporting global changes to screen layout and font parameters. In short, CineCast will increase your productivity and allow you to quickly make changes to accommodate your producers' or directors' preferences. CineCast's high performance is a result of a range of features and innovations, beginning with project creation, which is extremely fast and intuitive. Simply select a preset using the toolbar or keyboard shortcuts and start typing. Credits and graphics are entered directly on the project canvas. No need for spreadsheets, templates, or any other proxies. CineCast automatically supports center-positioned, as well as left and right columns of text credits, with pixel-perfect layout and no manual alignment whatsoever. Editing is a breeze. You can cut and paste individual cells or whole clusters. Simply select the cluster, cut it, position the cursor where you wish to paste it, and click Paste. You can even use cut and paste to move a cluster from the right column to the left column. Another key performance feature is font management. As you may recall, in CineCast, we call each block of credits a cluster, and each entry a cell. Each cluster is made up of a single roll cell, and one or more artist cells. In the font management dialog box, you can independently set font parameters for roll and artist cells. This allows you to have different fonts, styles, colors, and capitalization settings for roll and artist cells. You can also easily set the relative text sizes by simply adjusting the slider control and viewing the result in the sample text window. And, best of all, you can change these settings at any time and apply them to the entire project without rework. Project layout design, such as setting margins and cluster spacings, is managed in the Screen Layout dialog box. These design parameters can be independently set for text and graphics entries. A powerful feature is the rows per screen parameter, which sets text and graphics height for the project. Simply set this to the number of rows you would like in a 16:9 aspect ratio screen. CineCast will then automatically manage text and graphic scaling, whether you're previewing or exporting in standard definition or 4K. And of course, you can change these settings at any time, and reapply them to the entire project without any rework. Now we come to one of the most powerful CineCast performance features, the Smart Stretch algorithm. This unique algorithm can incrementally modify text height and cell and cluster spacings to offer you a much wider range of roll durations with no flicker. And all of this is automatic. You simply select roll duration, and CineCast does the rest. In CineCast, you can preview your project at any time. Select the video preset in the Preview dialog box. You can optionally enable Smart Stretch and use the slider control to select from the available roll durations. Alternatively, you can set a target roll duration and CineCast will then display the closest available duration, which in this case, matches our target value precisely. Okay, let's run the preview. You can pause and resume the preview using the spacebar key. You can also fast forward and fast rewind the preview using the up and down arrow keys. This allows you to quickly preview a specific segment of the project. Okay, let's export our project. Begin by selecting the video preset to match the desired export frame size and frame rate. You can create your own custom video preset if required. We'll next enable Smart Stretch and set our target roll duration. CineCast displays the closest available duration, which in this case is only 2 frames below the target value. In addition, we can set the alpha channel to yes, with an optional black text outline. This allows us to superimpose the credits roll over an image or video background. Bit depth can be set to 8 or 16 bits per channel, including the alpha channel. The higher bit depth provides very high quality text for creation of your project master, and when working with high dynamic range projects. We also have the option of adding a high-quality motion blur. Finally, CineCast suggests a folder name and location for the export, but this can be changed if desired. And we'll click OK. The CineCast export can be used with any video editing software which supports industry-standard TIFF image file sequence imports, such as Avid Media Composer, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Vegas Pro. In summary, managing project parameters globally is the key to CineCast's performance. The result is automated and pixel-perfect layout, with the flexibility to make modifications at any time. The same applies to editing, allowing you to rearrange entire clusters using cut and paste, thereby reducing the possibility of typing errors. The CineCast export uses lossless encoding, with no motion compression artifacts whatsoever. You can export your project at a resolution of up to 16 bits per color and alpha channel, meeting the most stringent cinematic release requirements. And to top it off, Smart Stretch removes all trial and error associated with obtaining flicker-free results. All of this adds up to dramatically increasing your productivity, while maintaining full flexibility for last-minute changes. With CineCast, it's all about performance.